Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make chicken balls. They're really good and they're other baked so they're extra healthy. So let's get started. Alright, so get a large mixing bowl and put about 150 500 grams of minced chicken. And get one small brown onion, chop up as finely as you can, and add that straight in. Then get a half a cup of cornflake crumbs. And a half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And one white bean egg. Now mix it with a wooden spoon, and you could mix it with your hands. Just make sure they're clean. Alright, that was good. Now you can put a little bit of pepper and about 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. And just mix that in. Alright, just get a baking tray and grease it and put the parchment paper on it and preheat your oven at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And get your chicken mixture, pour it into a bowl. That's a good size bowl. And just place them on there. So this mixture will make about 20 or 30 of these chicken balls, depends on how big we have the ball. Now you put this in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then we'll see how it turns out. Alright, these are ready. Now you just leave it in here for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then serve with your favorite dip. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for chicken balls, as you can see. Oh, it smells so good. You can see I'm gonna dip it. So you can actually use your favorite dip to dip it in. I'm gonna dip it in some barbecue. Oh, swamp thing. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. Then we'll see you on the next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.